Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50 Lite, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, and there we can find our contacts. So let's find our contact list, then localize the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. I'll choose maybe this one. And now tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon. Now let's tap on add picture, and here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So device photos, we can open our own gallery or open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of you, and Google Photos. So here you've got basically your backed up photos. So I'll choose the camera as I do not have any photos saved or something like that. I'll just quickly take a photo of that. Let me do it. And now, if we are happy with our choice, just tap on OK to confirm. Now in this section, and it does not really matter whether you've chosen the camera or the gallery or whatever, in this section you will be able to change the position of the photo. You can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Now tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.